REG. We left off the last video where we were getting ready to cut out the mount of the passenger side here that was welded into the chassis. We got a little bit ahead of ourselves and started knocking it out before we were able to get on the filming process of it, so we apologize for that, but no worries. We're back in the car here. We do have the new Myers lean mounts installed here. You can see here on the frame rail we got the old bracket grinded out, the chassis nice and cleaned up in preparation to weld the new bracket in. So right now we're basically at the point of figuring out what changes need to be made with the car. Again, these lean engine mounts actually lean the engine more forward than previously, which is causing a lot of things to have to be changed. One of them being the actual hood latch pin here. This is the old one that was on this side. If you look closely, you can see this bracket. So we've actually already custom made a bracket here, and this is going to come in and sit on top of the bracket like that. Basically, it bolts onto the back side of the motor mount. We still have some stuff to do with that, so we'll touch back on that. We also came here and decided to put the weight bar on. Because obviously if all those changes come along, we're gonna have to move things. So that's what we're finding here with the weight bar. First and foremost, we found that the radiator actually hits the air box now with these mounts. Additionally, the fuel pump and fuel filters that mount on the weight bar are also in the way of the now installed mid plate that's on the transmission, which is to bolt to the actual weight bar or traction bar, whatever you want to call it. So after going through the changes here, we'll definitely have to figure things out, but that's what we're here for. So let's get this thing lifted up and figure out what we're gonna do. So now that we're up here with the weight bar, we can get a little bit closer look at some of the changes that we're gonna have to make. One of them being here, you can see the DP mid plate that we installed here actually makes contact with the weight bar with it where it's supposed to mount up. The bolt hole's a little bit off up here again because it's hitting the front of the mid plate. So we're gonna have to modify that a little bit, obviously, to make it work with this specific weight bar. We're gonna cut a little bit back, and you can see we're already kind of making some measurements of the tab there where the bolt's gonna bolt up. Also right here in the front, this is previously where the Weldon fuel pump mounted to. That's obviously gonna have to also move because that is now directly in front of where the mid plate needs to be installed. So we're gonna be cutting this bracket off. We're gonna be cutting this bracket off. We're gonna be modifying the DP mid plate just a little bit to accommodate for this weight bar. We also found, as we previously said, the radiator didn't line up. So what had happened was when we put the weight bar onto the chassis, the radiator started hitting the side of the air box here, again, because the engine's more forward. Right now, we're gonna basically take the weight bar back down because I also didn't like the threads. They're kind of a little dirty, a little bit hard to get out the bolts in here. So we're gonna drop this thing down, clean up the threads in that, modify the mid plate for the DP stuff, and then basically go from there and making the changes. So we got the weight bar off, we got the DP mid plate off. So we're gonna go ahead and get this cut and get this back on so that way we can continue on with the changes that need to be made. So we're here ready to put the weight bar back up. We got our DP mid plate cut to accommodate it, and now we're about to test it out essentially. Before I wanted to put the weight bar up, I mentioned before I wanted to clean up the threads inside of here. I didn't like the way the bolts were going in and out, so before we move any further, we're gonna go ahead and take care of that, and then we'll go ahead and put the weight bar back up. Got the weight bar back on. We got our DP mid plate shaved how we needed it to get the clearance we wanted between the weight bar and the actual plate itself. So that's ready to go. We can get the tab welded onto the bar back here and get that installed. From here, we basically decide where the new placement of the radiator is going to be, and also the fuel pump and fuel filters. But first, we'll have to cut and grind off these old tabs and old brackets that used to be here in preparation for ours. brackets cut off of the weight bar here. The old fuel pump mount bracket, the old radiator bracket that we talked about, and a couple other miscellaneous items that were welded on the weight bar. Again, we went ahead and cut all those off. We put the weight bar back on the car, and basically we're in the process right now of figuring out where the new location of the fuel pump setup and radiator is going to be. So after tossing around a few ideas about how to mount the radiator here on the weight bar, we're just going to go ahead and add a few new threaded collars to both sides of the radiator. That way we have easy bracketing from the weight bar up to the sides of it. It'll make it nice and rigid. While we're waiting for that, we're going to go ahead and get into installing the new the arrow catch pin. We had to remake it on the passenger side here because the old motor mounts accommodated it differently. So now we've made a new one here. We have a new pipe, we have a new threaded collar, we got a new arrow catch pin in it. Now this basically needs to get cut to size on the bracket and fit the hood. So we're gonna get into that right now. So we got our threaded inserts here welded onto the radiator where we're going to mount it with the new location. We're also going to get a bracket going for the fuel pump here. But as far as the DP mid plate goes, we got this all ready to go. This is ready to tack weld and get welded in. So let's get to it. All right, we got all the brackets welded back onto the weight bar. We got the radiator mounted with the new brackets. We got the fuel pump mounted with the new brackets. We got the mid plate connection on the front of the weight bar here done. That wraps it up for the front of the car. Everything that needed to be changed is now changed. We're gonna go ahead and send this off to powder coat. And while that's at powder coat, we still got a couple things we're waiting on. We're waiting for the I Did It steering column still in the mail. So once we get that, we'll go ahead and progress forward with the rest of this. We're also going to be doing a carbon fiber roof install in this car now. So that'll be in the next video. As always, guys, we appreciate you tuning in. We appreciate you engaging. Please like this video, comment, subscribe to our channel. We're in here, we're working, we're going to keep on going. We appreciate you guys. We'll see you on the next one.